Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while that I have posted on here. I've been MIA. I think the last video I posted was my what I got my kids for Christmas video. I totally guys, I don't know what's going on. I have like videos filmed and I just never get to edit them, and then once I go to edit them, it's too late already to post them. So I'm feeling motivated and I'm hoping that I can come back and film some videos for you guys. Specifically now, because we do have a trip coming up. We're gonna be going to Disney World very soon in exactly a month, and I'm very excited. So I have a lot of videos planned out for this trip, so I'm hoping that I can actually keep up with them. Today's gonna be the first video, and it's a little bit of a different video. It's something new to me and to my channel. I'm actually going to start pin trading. So if you're a Disney vlogger, or if you love going to Disney and whatever, anything Disney, this is totally Disney related. So if you're interested in this video, just go ahead and keep on watching. I have been watching a lot of Disney vloggers and the mommy Disney vloggers, and they have been really getting me into this whole pin trading thing. So Brianna Woodbine and her husband Corey specifically are the ones that really sold me on this. I see them post their vlogs all the time. Her vlogs are everything, literally goals. I got a bunch of pins at Hot Topic and Box Lunch, to be specific for now, because since obviously I'm not at Disney yet, I can't buy them there yet. But once we do get there, that just makes me really excited, going to the park, getting a pin from each park, and the surprise of them having the pin on camera, opening it on camera, and I personally like the mystery ones, buying the little box and then just seeing which one you're gonna get. I'm all for it. I love anything mystery like that. So I'm gonna be doing that this time. You professional pin traders, let me know down in the comments, because I'm not sure if you can actually trade the ones from Hot Topic and Box Lunch, or if it's only one spot at the park. Some of these, most of them are official Disney merch, I believe. Some of them are Launchfly, the others are by Her Universe. Before I get into showing you guys what pins I got, let me show you guys the pin gear that I got to hold them. So I actually picked these up from Go Pin Pro. These are the mini Pinfolios, and they come in a pack of 5. I got the pink ones because hello, pink is my favorite color. It's everything. I wish they had you could mix and match. The only one they had was the rainbow one, mix and match. So I didn't really love the bright colors. I like more pastels. So I just went with these. These were 5 pins for $15, which I thought was an amazing deal. And they also have the little baggies to put your little mini boards in, so you don't lose your pins. And these were also 5 for $15. So I'm planning on gifting one of these with the pin board and the pin, and then just keeping the rest for myself. I think this is a perfect start for me because, again, I'm not a professional yet, or I don't have a big collection. This what I have in front of me, I believe it's 11, 9. Actually, I have 9. What do I have 9? 7? Oh yeah, 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, I can't do that. But yeah, I have 9 pins to show you guys, but that's what I got. I'm gonna be linking them down below. I think this is a perfect start for me. They also have another little baggie that I want to buy that I'll insert a picture here because I forgot the name of, but I might be picking this up for my trip as well. I just want to see how it goes so far with this, to start. But anyway, let's get right back into this, showing you the pins. I picked up 2 of these stitch pins. Also, please do not mind my nails, they're horrible, and I really wanted to wait to do this video, but I just didn't do it because I'm so excited to see what pins I got. But anyway, don't mind my nails. But I got 2 of these stitch ones. One I'm gonna be opening for myself, and the other one's gonna be for a very little special someone that I'm gonna be gifting to. So let's get right into and see which stitch one we got. All right, so this is the first one. So they come in a little baggie. All right, here we go. So this is the first one. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is so exciting to me. Oh, I got the Stitch Vampire. Can you guys see? Wait, where am I? Okay, you guys can see it. So in this collection, you can get the Stitch, the skeleton, the one with the, I don't know if I can say the word, but that one. And then the Elvis one, you can get the vampire one. There's a karate one, I believe, and then the one with the little skirts. So I got the vampire, and it's perfect because when we're going during the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. So I'm so excited. This is our first pin, you guys. All right, so I'm very happy with that one. For the next one, we have this Loungefly snacks, and for this one I'm really hoping to get the Daisy donut, or really any of them. Like, they're all so cute. I want to collect all of them. For this one I only picked up two. I only picked up like a little bit of them. I didn't pick up the entire one because, again, I'm just starting, you guys. I didn't want to drop all this money in it and then hate it, but so far I'm loving it, so I might have to buy more. So let's see what we get. This is gonna be the Disney snacks one. Here we go. So here is the baggie. And oh my god, I'm so excited. What do we get? We got the Mickey cupcake! Yay, this one is so cute also. Okay, I told you guys, any of the ones that I got in here, I would love. This one is so cute. I can't. I love it so much. And for our next snack ones, we got two of these. So this is the next one. Let's see what we got in this one. Oh my gosh. What is it? Please be the donut. Please be the donut. I haven't seen it. Oh, it's the Donald Dole Whip. Wait, is it a Dole Whip or is it ice cream? I can't tell. Let me see if I can hold it. It's the Donald ice cream. Also so cute. And these are actually a really decent size. I thought they were going to be a lot smaller than they are, but so far we're loving it. I didn't get my donut, which means I have to go and buy more, but I still love these two that I got. All right, you guys, the next one. So the next one is the ears one. For this one, again, I'm really hoping to get Daisy. I just love the colors on Daisy. Lilac and pink are my colors. I love them. I also wouldn't mind any of the other ones. Mickey, Minnie, all of them are so stinking cute. Like, I honestly need to go buy more of these. But hopefully we finally get a Daisy, because this is like the last thing that I can get a Daisy on. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh my goodness, I am nervous. Okay, obviously I can't feel because they're all ears, but let's see. Wow, this one, oh my god, it's so cute. I say like, wow, okay, I don't mind Goofy, he's so cute, but these are big. I thought they were gonna be like so tiny. These pins are honestly, I'm totally obsessed now. Like, guys, I don't know what I got myself into. My wallet's gonna hate me because I am gonna like spend so much money on this, but it's so fun, guys. I'm literally having an amazing time right now just opening pins. So I got Goofy and he is so cute. Like, this is so cute. So I'm not mad. I'm not mad, guys. All right, you guys. And then for the next one, we have this princess collection. These are so stunning. I mean, they look stunning online. They look stunning on the box. This one, I really want Moana. I really want Ariel. I really want Aurora. Snow, like all of them. Any of them that I get, I like really want. I actually got two of these, so we have two chances. So let's go ahead and open the first one. All right, you guys, here we go. First one. This makes me nervous. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Who did we get? Who did we get? We got Ariel! Yay! We got Ariel, you guys. How cute is she? I hope that you guys can see Ariel and on my big face. But oh my god, how cute is she? I love it so much. Oh, I'm so excited. And these, again, pretty decent size. I don't know why I was expecting these pins to be like much smaller than they are, but they're an amazing size. So far, we don't have any duplicates. Let's hope the next one is not a duplicate either, because again, I want to keep them all. But I also need some to trade. So I don't know. Now I'm like, I'm gonna order like so many more of these pins before my trip. Oh my god. So again, let me know down in the comments, guys, if you guys have pin traded before and if you can trade these or not. I don't want to like bring pins that you can't trade. So yeah, let's go ahead and open the next one. We have another one of the princess ones, so let's go ahead and see what we got in this one. And these, so the only ones that I picked up at Hot Topic was the Stitch ones. All the other ones I picked up at Box Lunch. I don't know if I told you guys, but Box Lunch had buy 5, get 2 free. So I got a total of 7. And then I went actually into the store to pick up my order, and they gave me a little paper for 25% off while I waited for my order to like shop around, and I picked up 2 more. So we actually do have a total of 11 pins. That's why I was like, Why do I have 9? I thought I had 11, but yeah, we have 11. So let's go ahead and open this one. Okay, please. I want Moana, or Aurora. Those are the ones that I really want. Sleeping Beauty, Moana. Let's see. Oh, we got Snow White. We didn't get the one we wanted. I mean, this one's so cute, but I really, really wanted Moana, so I'm gonna have to go buy another one, but hey, not a duplicate. But this one is also so cute. I hope that you guys can see it because I'm so not used to this. So we got Snow White and we got Ariel. So at least we got one of the ones that I really wanted. I really wanted Ariel, so I'm happy with that one. All right, and for the last collection that I have is this Princess boot one. So these are by Her Universe, and oh my god, you guys, I saw these and I immediately thought I need these. Like, the cowgirl right now is everything. So cowgirl princess boots, like, hello, yes, I absolutely need them. For this one, I want all of them again. Like, I literally do not even care what I get because I want all of them. The one that I really, really do want is Belle. Any of, like, honestly, I can't even pick like any of them. I just want, they're all so cute. So let's go ahead and open them. So let's see. For this one, I got 4 of them because this is the one that I was like totally obsessed with. And when I went into the store, they actually had 2 of these in store. Like, so I just grabbed them both. I was like, I would have got all 6 for these because these ones, I want all of them. But they only had 2, so that's what I got. So let's go ahead and open it. So here we go. Okay, the bag for this one feels different. This might be harder to open. Okay, no, it's okay. Okay, let's see. And Cinderella! Yay! Oh my god, I feel like a little kid in a candy store, guys. Like, I'm a full-grown adult excited for pins, but I love Disney. I just love Disney so much. So the first one we got is Cinderella, and holy cow, this one is huge. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell. Like, this is as big as my thumb. That's the best way I could put it. So we got Cinderella for our first one. All right, for the next one, we got... Oh my gosh. Let's see. What do we got? Oh my god, this bag is so hard to open compared to the other one. The suspense is real. Okay, I kind of peeked. Tiana! Oh, I love her. How cute. So again, still no duplicates. I love this one so much as well. I feel like it's a little bit too simple though. I wish I had a little bit more. Like, it just has the green and then the flower. I wish I had a little bit more of, like, you know, something to represent Tiana a little bit better. But it's still cute. I still do not mind it. But I'm still hoping I get Belle, Ariel, or Aurora again. So those are the 2 that I got from online. Then when I went in store, this is the little bag they gave me. So let's see if they're any different. Hopefully that didn't cause us to get any duplicates. We're gonna just have to see what we got. Okay, guys, I have 2 more chances to get what I want. Okay, I can't see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay. Okay, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm sorry, guys. That was a little bit too crazy. But I got Belle. I love Belle so much. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I got this one. So you got Belle, so no duplicates again. And we got 1 more to go. All right, guys, and then we are on our last one. And this honestly makes me sad. Like, this video is almost over. We're almost done opening all of our pins. But this is the last one that we got. I'm still hoping. Okay, we got Belle. I really want Ariel. Like, if I had to pick, give me Ariel, please. The download one is so cute too though. Like, I love the fringe on there. I feel like they put so much detail into that one. So let's see what we get, you guys. Last one for now, because we're gonna get some more. But all right, let's see. I'm gonna close my eyes for this one. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. Okay, it's open. What is it, guys? What is it? I don't know what way. Okay, this is the back. This has to be the front. What did we get? What's the... Okay, wait. Oh, we got our first duplicate, you guys. Okay, not mad. Kind of mad, but not mad. So we got our first duplicate. So this is gonna go into the traders. It's another Cinderella. And hopefully I can trade. And somebody will take this little boot off of me and I can find the ones that I want. But this is what we got. Another Cinderella. So I guess I should have stuck to either ordering them all online or the store. I don't know if it would have made a difference. In my mind, I think in my mind I want to say that it would have made a difference, but that's all the pins that we got, you guys. So we got a total of 11 pins, 10 for myself and 1 for a gift. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on here so you guys can see how they look. So the thing with these Pinfolios is that you don't have to like put the backs on them, you just stick them in and then they are supposed to stay. So let's give it a try and see. All right, so I got my little board out. So this is like a cork, I don't know how to explain it. It feels like a cork board, but like foam. I love how it has a bunch of little stars, and I love how the GoPin Pro website and like the brand is like the same color, so it kind of blends in, like it doesn't stand out so much. But look at the back, how cute. So I think that you could put them on both sides if I'm not mistaken. So we're just gonna go ahead and stick our first one. She's just gonna go right at the top here. So you just stick it right in and then there it is, it just stays. It doesn't fall out. It's so cute. I'm so excited to bring this with. Now, do you see how big the boot is now that you see it on the board? So once you have like your little board, you just put the whole thing in the little baggie. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, okay. I thought it was gonna be like a struggle to like fit it in here, but it just slides right in. Oh, it's the perfect size. And then you can just, you know, your pins will be like visible, so you can see like, oh, which ones are the ones I want to trade, which ones are the ones I want to keep. So I love this so much. Like, I'm honestly so happy and excited that I started doing this. I'm really looking forward to our trip so we can buy more pins on our trip and trade with the cast members and anybody else that wants to. So if you guys are pin traders, let me know how you like it. Let me know any tips since I am a beginner. If you made it to the end, make sure you put a little castle emoji since we have a castle back here. Comment down a castle emoji to let me know that you made it to the end of the video, and I hope that you had as much fun as I did unboxing my pins, and I will see you guys on the next Disney video. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching.